All right, let's get right into it. So many of us are using Facebook Messenger for business, right? But what if you could take that simple chat app and turn it into a seriously powerful lead management system? We're going to break down how you can organize conversations, track prospects, and manage your sales, all without ever having to leave your inbox.
But first, let me ask you something. Does your Messenger inbox ever feel like it's just leaking leads? Are you ever worried that really good conversations, potential customers, are just getting lost in the chaos? If you're nodding along, trust me, you are not alone.
And this just says it all, doesn't it? On the left, you've got that chaotic inbox we all know, and, well, we know it. It's a jumbled mess where opportunities go to die. But on the right, that's the dream. A clean, organized pipeline where every single lead is accounted for. That's the goal, and it's way more achievable than you think.
So let's really dig into the problem here. We call it the leaky messenger inbox. Because all that chaos, it's not just annoying, it has a real, actual hidden cost to your business.
Here's symptom number 1. You know how it is. A great lead messages you, you have an awesome chat, but then, boom, 10 new messages come in. And just like that amazing prospect is buried, pushed way down the list, and totally out of sight, out of mind.
And of course, that leads right to the next big problem, forgotten follow-ups. I mean, without a system, what's there to remind you to check back in? You told them you'd send a link tomorrow or follow up next week, but with nothing to jog your memory, it just doesn't happen.
And the end result of all of this? Well, it's pretty simple. Sales opportunities just slip away. Every buried message, every forgotten follow-up, that's a potential customer you just lost. That's money, just vanishing right out of your inbox.
And this quote just nails it. The tool itself isn't broken. Messenger was built for talking to people one-on-one, not for tracking complicated sales deals. It's like we're all trying to use a screwdriver as a hammer. It kind of works, but it's messy, and it's just not the right tool for the job.
But what if you could upgrade that tool? That's exactly where a Facebook CRM comes into play. We're not talking about replacing Messenger. We're talking about reinventing it from the inside out.
So, what is this thing really? Think of it like a simple system that just adds a layer on top of the messenger you already use. It turns it into a real structured customer relationship manager, a real sales pipeline. It adds the organization that Facebook just never gave us.
Now, let's get into the good stuff. What does this actually let you do? Let's look at the must-have features that can turn that messy inbox into an absolute sales machine.
Okay, so you can organize all your contacts into custom sales stages. You can tag people based on what they're actually interested in. You can add your own private notes and contact info right there in the chat. You can send out broadcast messages to specific groups. And this one is huge. You can filter your entire inbox to instantly find the exact conversations you need to see.
Now, the heart of this whole system is the sales pipeline. If you're not familiar, don't worry, it's super simple. It's just a way to see at a glance where everybody is in your sales process. You know who's a new lead, who you need to follow up with, and who's already a customer. It completely replaces guesswork with total clarity.
Now, you might be thinking, okay, this sounds complicated. But honestly, the way it works is designed to be incredibly simple, but really powerful. It plugs right into what you're already doing, so there's no crazy learning curve. It's really just a simple 4-step loop. First, you connect it and turn on the features. Second, as you're chatting with people, you start organizing them with tags and moving them through your pipeline. Third, you track all the important details with notes and reminders. And fourth, you can re-engage whole groups of people with broadcasts. That's pretty much it.
So who is a system like this really built for? I mean, it could probably help almost anyone, but it's especially designed for people who are already using Messenger to get leads and make sales. Let's see if this sounds like you.
If you're an affiliate marketer juggling a bunch of prospects, a product creator keeping track of who's interested, a service provider or an agency trying to organize all your client chats, or really any kind of online business that uses Messenger to talk to customers, yep, this is built for you. All right, let's talk about the offer that was presented for this tool, because the pricing here is, well, it's pretty wild. You can forget about those typical monthly software fees. This thing is structured as a one-time deal. Okay, let's break this down. You've got 3 options: Personal, Pro, and Unlimited. Personal gets you in the door for just $5. Pro bumps you up to way more contacts and pipelines for $15. But then you look at the Unlimited plan. You get unlimited everything: contacts, pipelines, broadcasts. And the price for all that
Is just $35.
And that's the kicker, right there. It is a one-time payment. There are no monthly fees.
In a world where every single tool is another subscription, finding something this useful for a single one-off price it's just so rare. It completely changes the math on whether it's worth it.
But of course, there's a catch. This isn't the price forever. It's a special deal that's only available for a limited time, and when that timer on the page hits 0, it's gone. It's all about creating that urgency because the value is so high.
So really, when we wrap all this up, it all comes down to this one question. It's not about the cost of the tool, it's about the cost of doing nothing. When you think about all those leads just getting lost in your inbox right now, how many more opportunities are you ready to capture if you finally had a real system?